misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of...
Hi everyone, it's Louise with louisemckayart, and I'm coming in again with another redo of this video. As my last one I wasn't 100% happy with, but I kept it anyway because I think it might develop. But I wanted to try to show you a better creation. So here we go. This is an earth tone-ish fall color palette that I'm going to be showing you today. It's really gorgeous. And let's just get started. So I've got my pillow, which is the Glidden 6011N eggshell. This is what you put down first, where your paints float over the top of. For your colors to basically develop on the top of it. I'm not making any sense, am I? That's what I didn't do last time. I didn't spin it out a little bit. Spread out that pillow a bit. All right, colors. These are mixed with my Infinity and MinWax pouring medium, which I've kept in here. 3 parts Infinity from Sherwin Williams, and 1 part MinWax semi-gloss. This is my quinacridone Nicolazo Gold combo with TLP Zeus. This is my Liquitex Cadmium Red Deep with some Bordeaux Red to darken it up a bit. And I'm running out of this. I probably have enough for 2 more coasters after this. I used this color for a yo-yo creation. And make sure I get a lot of good red in there. The red is really dynamic with that Nicolazo. Here's a color I had mixed up. I rejected on a couple of pours because it just didn't work. However, with this fall color palette, it's working. This is Golden's Green Gold. And I was looking for a gold and I was looking for a yellow. So I thought, you know what? I've got this already mixed up. I might as well give it a whirl. First color palette that I'm actually using it on. All right, Iridescent Bronze. Love this color. Golden. Absolute winner color. And I think I was saying in the other video that I may or may not share that if I had to pick one brand of paint to use forever, I can only pick one, it would be Golden. And I am not an affiliate of Golden. They don't have affiliates as far as I know. I'm just a fan. So I don't get any benefit for being nice, for saying nice things about them, but it's easy because I love Golden paint. This is DecoArt's Steel Gray with Artist's Loft Gray. And you're looking at this color and you're saying, what? What? With fall? Yeah, well, it works. Sometimes the most unsuspecting colors are the biggest surprise. I hope that wasn't a goober thing that went in there. Maybe. Hopefully I got it. And Golden's Carbon Black. I'm going to take a second after I lay down this color and I'm going to go look at the other ones. I want to see how they're developing. Yeah, that last one is just a little, it's just pillowy. I got pillow. All right, let's do this again. Cell activator. Actually, I'm going to adjust the cell activator real quick. So the previous creation, the cell activator was acting a little weird, so that's why I'm going to do some adjustments here, and I'm going to explain a couple things. More of this in it, because it's a little thick. It's just a little thick, and I want to have it react with a little more liquidness. That might be enough. I only have a tiny bit here, so I don't want to go too crazy. So I'm noticing the cell activator is still drizzling funny off the stick. Huh. And the black, let's see what the black looks like. Black seems fine. It's just the white that seems a little odd. Just a spritz more. And then when I put this away, I always squeeze it to get any extra air out. Okay, yeah, maybe I'm coming to the end of this. I know you can't see what I'm talking about, but it feels like it feels, I don't want this to sound the wrong way. It feels snotty. It's like snotty. It's sticky. I might have to pull back on this after I'm done with these. Okay, wow, that spread out a lot. All right, here we go. Yeah. I'll try something else. So this Australian cell activator I'm taking off the bench has been closed up for the last 1.5 years. So I'm going to give it a shot. Sorry I went off camera here, but I'm looking at the consistency to see that this cell activator is springy and not slimy and stringy. I'm going to go with this one. This also is 1 year old. But I'm going to just go with it. Oh, yeah, it's having a better reaction. So I almost always blow straight down into the cell activator to get it to form a little bit of a circle with a ridge where the cell activator meets the paints. And then I aim my blow where the ridge is to get my composition to blow out in all directions. So if you're particularly challenged by the blow, I have a really good video, 419, I'll link it above. And in that, I first of all show how to find your lips and your blow in the first place, and then how the speed and angle of your blow affect the way the composition comes out in the end. It's quite a different reaction. Plus, I think I have more black down, so that makes a difference too. Yeah, this cell activator is also 1 year old. It's just in a different container. These are all leftover cell activator from the Fluidart boutique, Fluidart Experience in May of last year. Jessica Winterstrom left me a bunch of paint because she couldn't take it with her. So I took it, and yeah, look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that other batch. It could be that this has just been left open too long, so it's kind of gotten a little on the rough side. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Yeah, dumping that. Goodbye. Goodbye. I don't need to play with them at that anymore. However, this, I'm going to keep this. That other might be bad. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, that other one is not going to pass muster now. So as I clean up here, I just want to invite you to check out my description where I have links to some of the products I use and also some of the more educational type tutorials to help you guys out. I need to get this corner off, like by a lot. The little container to the left of the screen here is what I use to capture my scrap that I pull off from these blooms, and I use these as the base of my ornaments. Oh, I think we're almost done. One little white spot over here. We'll get that thing taken care of. I didn't quite take care of it. I might just leave it. Sometimes it's just better to leave it alone. All right, let's give one more to get this off as much as I can. And the green in there is fantastic. I had a little more green this time. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. That's striking. It's striking. Oh my goodness, folks. So we're going to call that done. I'm going to clean up the bottoms off camera. I'm just going to pull it out and down, put it in the scooper. Look at that. That makes my last one look anemic. I'm going to bring that last one over and I'm going to redo it. Oh. All right. This is worth showing you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, everyone, here are the names of the people that entered for the drawing for the mini dryer. Now, I'm giving everybody a 24-hour time from when the videos aired to leave in comments that you're interested in whatever prize or giveaway that I was offering. So here are the names of those that entered within the first 24 hours. And I'm going to put them in the bag. If I can. And then I'm gonna, ooh, somebody turn off the lights. Mix them up. I can't get one. Here we go. Oh, Dawn Young. Dawn, you won. I'll leave a comment, and I just need you to email me your address. I'll let you know the postage, and we'll go from there. All right? All right. Congratulations. So stay tuned for upcoming videos, as I will, and periodically I'll just put in some giveaways and different videos based on what I shared in my last video. You'll have an opportunity to say you want it. All I ask is that you pay for shipping plus $1 for my time and effort to ship it. Anybody is eligible. Okay. So everyone, that's a wrap. Here are the wet results, and in a second I'm going to show you the resin results in the direct sunlight, so they are quite bright and dynamic. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, especially the part where I went improv and started figuring out my cell activator was acting a little wonky. Yes, you don't want slimy cell activator. You want it to be springy and bouncy. So if this is your first time with me, I ask that you join me by subscribing, hitting the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. It's free and you'll get nothing but tips every time. At the end, I'm going to link my playlist for coasters so you can see more color combinations and creations. Also, I always use KS Resin Liquid Stone, and I have a discount code for 10% off in the description if you want to give it a shot. I love it. It's pretty much all I use for my creations. And just another reminder to check my description for links to different products I use and links to some of my best educational tutorials I have to offer. Here I'm flipping this around to the back. I'm showing you my cork. I do have a video. I'll link it above, video 487. I show you how I stamp and brand my pieces to finish them off. So I think that's all I have for now, everybody. Take care. Until next time.